Hi everyone, and welcome to English Acquiring and Topic Discussing channel. Yes, with the videos nowadays we have been talking about, as you know, some certain topics to improve our English speaking. Yes, in this video we will be speaking about again some solutions. Yeah, solutions to pollutions. Our topic is solutions to pollutions. It is very clear that we should know the value of some existing solutions which were found by pondering brains and aware researchers or voluntary people. Yes, thanks to them, we have already had some solutions. Let's see them and know the value of them first and foremost. And then we can hope that other solutions like these, like those solutions will be developed and generated. Okay. Yes, today we focus on solutions to pollutions. Okay. It's a solution that we recycle things. What another solution can you think of? Yes, recycling is a solution, is a clear solution that have existed. Okay, and then reducing is also another solution, and reusing, using a product again and again. Yes, as possible as we can do. So let's turn back to our example sentence and question. What another solution can you think of? Of course, we immediately are able to think of reduce and reuse, besides recycle. So, of course, this must be our motto, including me, be a part of solution, not pollution, not problem. We shouldn't be a part of problems, but we should be a part of solutions. And so, for example, this is, I think, awareness. Yes, every single of us should say, I am the solution to pollution. It means that I will do my best. Okay. Now, ChatGPT, what should come to mind in the first place when it comes to solutions to pollutions in the context of global warming in 50 words, please? ChatGPT, in addressing pollution and global warming, prioritizing clean energy sources such as solar and wind power is essential. Increasing energy efficiency in industries, transportation, and buildings is crucial. Sustainable land use practices, reforestation, and promoting public awareness can help. Additionally, strict environmental regulations and international cooperation are vital to combat pollution and its contribution to the urgent global warming crisis. I hope the residents of our planet will turn that global warming crisis into opportunities and solutions. Okay, an environmentalist is someone who is concerned about protecting the environment, Who is a conservationist? Yes, a conservationist is someone who is concerned about maintaining natural areas or protecting threatened species. Yeah, of course, this global issue also includes the biodiversity, the species, the animal species. Okay. Shall I read the image? To be an environmentalist is to care about the environment and care about life on our earth. So simple. Yes, we should be a caring individual each. How to become a wildlife conservationist? Yes, of course, there should be some ways to be a wildlife conservationist. Sustainable transport is a term used to describe transport which has little or no environmental impact, side effect. Which form of transport comes to your mind when it comes to sustainable transportation? Of course, bicycle, for example, bicycle comes to my mind. And I also remember, of course, environmentally friendly or eco-friendly cars, electric cars also come to my mind. We are in need of sustainable houses, which will cause no damage to the environment. How can we use our forests in a sustainable way? Of course, it requires a planning. Yes, it requires a sincere planning. For example, by using timber alternatives and by using logging responsibly. And of course, we should carry out eco-friendly construction techniques. And we should always remember reforestation. Yes, to solve the deforestation problem, we should really emphasize, give importance to reforestation. Always planting new trees. Sustainable agriculture is the practice of farming using principles of ecology. What is sustainable energy? Yes, sustainable energy is solar energy, wind energy that can be sustained. That can be sustained. Okay. What is sustainable living? Sustainable living must be living according to the principles of ecology and humanity. Yes, principles, standards that make up ecology and that make up humanity. The material plastic is produced by a chemical process. Is plastic biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Of course, plastic is non-biodegradable. I have heard of endangered species. Yes, which one is preferable here? I have heard of is more preferable. Yeah, I have heard of endangered species. What are the endangering factors? Of course, first and foremost, pollution. Pollution is an endangering factor. Habitat loss is another critical endangering factors. Yes, causing danger of extinction, danger of disappearing. It is really terrific. extinction is really terrific. Climate change is another endangering factor. Human activities, especially human activities, are endangering factors. Of course, over exploitation is also another endangering factor. Yes. Top 10 world's most endangered animals. The endangered animals means they are under the danger, under the risk of being disappeared, unfortunately, being extinct. Becoming extinct. Giant pandas are in danger of extinction. Which other animals are threatened with extinction? Yes, as you see, Amur leopard is also in danger of extinction. Sumatran tiger is threatened with extinction. Javan rhino is in danger of extinction or is threatened with extinction like giant panda. Okay, Ankara, the capital of Turkey, is habitable for some goats. Yes. For which animal is Denizli habitable? Yes, Denizli is habitable for some roosters, a kind of rooster. Which other cities are inhabitable for which animal? For example, the city one in the east-north of Turkey is inhabitable for a specific cat, which has two eyes in different colors. Gorilla tourism could develop an environmental awareness. Yes, by means of it, we can have the chance to observe them in nature. How could environmental awareness cause a social awareness? Of course, it's a matter of individual effort. Yes, individual efforts come together and they constitute the social awareness. The image says, ask not what gorillas can do for you, but what you can do for gorillas. Yes, it's time to do something for all species of animals. Yes, of course they can do something for us, but now it's time to do something good, to do something positive for them, including for gorillas. More and more recycling can be done, not to have bigger and bigger landfills. What can be done not to make the ozone layer thinner and thinner? Of course, we should build sustainable cities like Mastar City. Yes, zero carbon footprint cities, sustainable cities, and eco-friendly green cities. Yeah, the image says this is our Earth, and just above our Earth there is troposphere, and an ozone layer is between troposphere and stratosphere. Yes, mesosphere is above of them. Okay. Let me read the image first. How does carpooling help the environment? Yes, it is also an existing solution to pollution, air pollution. Does it make sense to carpool? Of course, it is really sensible to have quality air. People can carpool, not to send more exhaust gases to the atmosphere. What happens if 5 people go to work in one car instead of 5 people in 5 cars? Of course, it means that there will be less pollution. Now, objectives of Kyoto Protocol. What is Kyoto Protocol? Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty which is on climate change adopted by the United Nations. What does it aim to? Yes, first and foremost, it aims, of course, it aims to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. What else does it aim to do? It also aims to encourage the adoption of sustainable practices and technologies to reduce emissions and promote international cooperation on climate change issues. How nice, yes. What a nice aim. Very nice aim. Yes, how nice. This is, yes. The problem which Kyoto Protocol is trying to address is climate change and more specifically, the speed at which the Earth is warming up. Yes. Sustainable development goals. Yes. For example, Kyoto Protocol is concerned about, yes, ecology, emission, carbon dioxide, atmosphere, gas, nitrous oxide, yes, global warming, greenhouse gas, climate change, and agreements on those topics, industry, warming, again, in short, ecological issues, yes, ecological problems. Now, it's a fact that let's take them seriously and apply them to our daily life, okay? Especially those reducing, recycling, and reusing. Why? Because, for example, there are some facts. For example, it's a fact that a recycled tin, this is a tin, a recycled tin can save enough energy to power a television for 3 hours. It's another fact that a recycled glass bottle would save enough energy to power a computer for 25 minutes. Just a glass bottle. See, it's another fact that a recycled plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 3 hours. What's another fact? What's another critical fact, surprising fact? It's another surprising fact that up to 60% of the garbage that ends up in the dustbin could be recycled, more than half of it. Yeah, this is really promising. Up to 80% of a vehicle can be recycled. This is also a critical fact. 70% less energy is required to recycle paper compared with making it from raw materials. 9 out of 10 people would recycle more if they wanted. Yes, but of course they don't want. It seems that they don't want, but why don't they want to contribute to our betterment of the planet? Maybe because of lack of awareness. So I hope each of us, every single of us, will gain, will know the value of that awareness. Yes. Now, ChatGPT, will you generate a conversation between Martin, Mary, and Betty through these facts in 80 words? Yes, the heading is, it's a fact that. This is ChatGPT's conversation chat. Martin, hey, did you know that recycling can make a big difference in energy conservation? A recycled tin can save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. It's amazing. Mary, that's impressive. Yeah, that's exciting. That's impressive. That's amazing. And a recycled glass bottle can power a computer for 25 minutes. Plus, a plastic bottle can keep a 60-watt bulb lit for 3 hours. Betty, recycling is amazing. Did you also realize that up to 60% of our trash can be recycled and 80% of a vehicle can be reused? Martin, and it's environmentally friendly. Recycling paper requires 70% less energy than making it from scratch from the very beginning. Mary, so true. It's a fact that, but unfortunately, why isn't it 10 out of 10? It's a fact that 9 out of 10 people would recycle more if they could, if they knew the importance of that matter. Betty, let's all do our part and recycle more. Yes, let's do it. Okay. Okay, thank you for having this presentation together. And I hope it will be useful to improve our English